Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this new package which I have received, and it's about filter set for DJI Osmo Pocket 3. As you can see, so it's composed of 5 different filters. And these filters, as probably you are aware of it, so in photography or making videos, so it's used quite a lot. And these filters are the most famous ones. So it's actually composed of CPL filter, which is about basically removing or filtering out specific degree of brightness. We have got the ND filters. So they are called soft black filters. There are different grades. So based on different, let's say, brightness that you have. For example, these ones are used quite a lot in outside photography or making videos, so to say. So depending on the degree of the brightness, based on what I know, and they could be used to filter out. So basically using those, it makes really the video feel completely different than amateur videography. And these filters, basically the CPL, this is the circular polarizer. And this is the one which I personally use quite the most. This one, the usage is, for example, as I'm making these review videos, if I have a screen in here, so this screen has reflection. And basically in the video which I'm capturing, the screen cannot be seen. That's where I use the CPL filter, for example. So when I'm making the videos, I have this filter which I put if I have the screen. Otherwise, I'm not going to use it. But the ND filters, I usually use them in outside. So if you are making a video or a picture, making a picture outside and it's quite sunny day, you're going to use this one based on the, let's say, the degree of the sun or how bright is outside. And accordingly, you know, how would it feel? So it feels much better. And the last but not least, I'm not sure about this one actually, what this one is. I think this is the UV filter, if I'm not mistaken. So we can check it out. We can open it and check this out. So I'm not sure about the last one. Now, let's open the package. So well, first of all, it looks like it's been opened before. Let's have a look. Yep. So it's not completely new, I would say. Or I'm not sure. So it comes in this pocket basically, and you see already quite a lot of fingerprints around, and this is the package which it comes with. Let's have a look what we have got in here. So this is the clothes, basically the micro clothes that you have for cleaning the lens. This is the box, really nice box, I would say. Let's see how we can open it. Yep. And there we go. This is how the box looks like. Let's just open it up and see what we have got inside. Really nice box, I would say. Very nice design. So there we go. Quite interesting because we have got 5 lenses in here, but you have 6 places. So what is the point? I mean, like, they could have made it in a different way, right? They could have done it like this, and one in the middle. Fine. Yeah, this is pretty much how it looks like. And in terms of the application, they have to be installed on DJI Osmo, I would say, just to check them out. And there should be a video made by them, and each video can be reviewed separately. So I'm going to release a different video with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 basically later on, where I would present each of these filters, probably in outside. Well, that was a very quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments, and see you in the next video. Until then, thank you, take care, and bye-bye.